Hi, this is the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. So first, let's just open the Muviz Edge application. Let's open it. And here in AD section, you'll see all of the available tabs. Let's select one from these tabs, tap to apply. If you want to switch the background or just to add the background, you should select one from the available ones by swipe to the up or to the down, then just tap to apply, and by this way you will apply all of the backgrounds which you will like. Tap here to the music controls. You could hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. To show notifications and the calendar date by click on the switchers, and in battery section we could show battery status always, while charging, or never. Let's go back, switch AD to the settings and tap to Always On Display section. Here on the right upper corner you will see the switcher with which you could activate or turn off the option. Here we could show it on lock screen always while charging. On music we could use this option separately also. If you want to decrease or increase the brightness level, you should hold and slide to the left or to the right side this white dot on brightness panel. To change the screen timeout, select just here one from the available times here. We could also switch the time in low power after. To change the screen orientation from auto to portrait landscape or to the reverse landscape. To close it with a double and single tap on the lock screen. If you use the fingerprint unlock method, you could close it with a fingerprint on screen off. To set the shadow, the start, the end time, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize any option on our Motorola phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.